So let's come over before we go and look at the other indices briefly and just look at CL. So last night, we tracked this move up yesterday, right up to that 887, got short, and this is where we were last night. Personally, I didn't hold it overnight, I banked it. Overnight, we hit this, that was an exact hit on the 618, okay? If you didn't get that short from there, it gave you a 1, 2, and this was the 2 of 3 area. Now, if you then look at the day trading chart and the updated version of it, this was the target zone that I put on that to get short this morning if you missed the opportunity to do so up here, and that has given you an absolutely fantastic trade this morning for about 100 points worth of profit pre-market in CL. So then you talk about pro traders, Glenn. Pro traders on a Friday would have their computers shut and be going home now. Made your money on CL and also on that trade in ES this morning and done. Okay, so watch out for the, once we get through the first 60 to 90 minutes today, we can go into a paint drying session. So even on an upside, it's just going to grind typically on a Friday and try and bore you all to sleep. So it's just a question of if the pattern's going to play out, let's get positioned, get some money in the bank early, get safe and leave it to play the pattern out for the rest of the day in ES. Now coming over and just watching CL here, the possibility is that this was not the 4 here, that what we've got is the 3 at yesterday's low. That's the A of 4. We've hit this 618 retrace here at 50.46 today. That can be the B of 4, and we go up from here. So watch the 51 area in CL. I don't want to see it back above 51 if we're going to get the rest of this pattern to the downside play out. So if you've got anything left on from this morning's shorts, you should have plenty in the bank. Then stops just over 51. Invalidation of lower comes in at 51.19 in CL. NG, again, it gave us a pop and drop overnight into the 886 fib, which we missed narrowly yesterday morning, and it's starting to come off here now. We need to see this back below 4043 sooner rather than later. And then either we play out this diagonal pattern down to 34.96 for the A wave of a larger correction, or we just tank and take it all out, and we're in the larger degree wave 2 on the weekly chart in NG.